Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept. And let's discuss this question. Now, here see that Ali, Ben, and Cain and Dan share a sum of money. Ali has 1 over 2 of the total amount of money that Ben and Cain and Dan have. So basically, this is the ABC, okay? Now, I know that A to B plus C plus D is equal to 1 to 2, correct? 1 to 2. Let me just add the total here. And it's equivalent to, before, I always write bottom here. Let me just write up here to organize the information more properly. 1 to 2 to 3. You can understand, right? A is 1, B plus C plus D is 2, total is 3. Okay. Now, Ben has 1 over 3 of the total amount of A, C, and D. So now B to A plus C plus D to total, it will be equal to 1. A plus C plus D is 3, and then the total is 4. C has 1 over 7 of the total amount of money that A, Ben, and D, A, B, D have. So A plus B plus D and the total. I know the ratio will be 1 to 7 and it's 8. Now, we know, because why we can add up straight away is because we know that they share a sum of money. And now, before we look into it, because we know they share a sum of money, and we know that the total is supposed to be the same, because they are just saying that, oh, Ali has 1 over 2 of the amount of what they have. So it actually doesn't change anything. The total are still the same. So I know that this 3, 4, 8 actually supposed to be the same. So what we can do to make it the same is we need to find the lowest common multiple, and in this case supposed to be 24. Why? Because 3 times 8 is 24, right? So now we need times 8 times 8 times 8. For 4 I need times 6. 6 times 6, and for the last one I need times 3 times 3 and times 3. So of course this should be equivalent to 8 to 16 to 24, 6 to 18 to 24, 3 to 21 to 24. Okay. And now let's look at the question now. Now the question was asking them, what fraction of the total sum of money does Dan have? Now, Dan has, if you look at here, basically what they want is a fraction with what Dan have or has over the total. Total we know is 24, right? Because we already make the total 24. Now we need to find what is D. Now, to look for D, the easier way is actually, if you look at here, easier way is actually use BCD to minus B to minus C. Then you can find D, right? So this is BCD, this is B, this is C. So that if we need to look for D here, we just use 16 minus 6 minus 3. So I know that to look for D, it will be B plus C plus D minus B minus C, correct? So it will be 16 minus 6 minus 3. So it will be 7. So what Dan has is 7 over 24. So A will be 7 over 24. And we are done. Now let's look for B. Dan has $84. Find the sum of money shared by the 4 boys, means the total. So I know that 7 over 24, 7 unit will be equivalent to 84, because 7, right? So to look for 24 unit, first I look for 1 unit. 1 unit will be equal to 1, then to 12. Then 24 unit will be equivalent to 12 times 24 And if you press on the calculator, you get is actually $288. And we are done. Okay. Again, this is the same concept that it looks quite complicated maybe, but they are still emphasizing on the total are actually still the same. Okay. How we know? Because it doesn't change anything and we're still talking about the same thing. That's all for this question, and hope you learned something, and see you. Bye bye.